In a significant medical breakthrough for the region, Narayana Hospital Ahmedabad has successfully conducted its first heart transplant, offering a new lease of life to a patient with advanced heart failure. The complex procedure, among the most demanding in cardiac care, was performed by a highly specialized multidisciplinary team. A suitable donor heart was subsequently allocated through the organ donation network after months of careful monitoring. The surgery was led by Dr. Atul Maslekar and performed by a team comprising Dr. Alpesh Patel, Dr. Utkarsh Sanghvi, Dr. Hetal Shah, and Dr. Tejas Kanzaria, along with the critical care ICU and nursing teams.
इस कॉन्फ्रेंस हमने आयोजित की है। इस प्रेस के माध्यम से हम जनमानस तक ये सूचना देना चाहते हैं कि नारायण हॉस्पिटल अहमदाबाद में अब हार्ट ट्रांसप्लांट जैसी जटिलतम ट्रीटमेंट की सुविधा भी उपलब्ध हो गई है। इस प्रयास में जब हमने अहमदाबाद में प्रथम हार्ट ट्रांसप्लांट का केस किया है, जो पेशेंट श्री चंदू भाई हैं, आज हमारे साथ उपस्थित हुए इस प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस में। इस ट्रांसप्लांट सर्जरी के बाद वो सफलतापूर्वक अपना जीवन व्यतीत कर रहे हैं और हम जनमानस तक ये संदेश पहुंचाना चाहते हैं कि अगर आपको हृदय से संबंधित किसी भी प्रकार की कोई भी परेशानी है तो आप ईस्ट अहमदाबाद में नारायण हॉस्पिटल प्राइवेट संस्थान के तौर पर हम आपकी सेवा के लिए तत्पर हैं। आप हमारी सेवाओं का लाभ कभी भी ले सकते हैं।
I am Dr. Utkarsh. I am a consultant at Narayana Hospital, Rakhyal, Ahmedabad. I am basically a cardiovascular and thoracic surgeon. Recently, on 9th of December 2025, we had done a heart transplant. It was our first transplant for our team. The patient underwent the heart transplant successfully and was discharged on 29th December 2025. So, what I want to give tips in this clip is about promotion about organ transplantation, and recently last month from Narayana we had organized a walkathon to promote organ donation. And being a cardiac surgeon, I wanted to give a few tips about how to stay healthy and how to keep a fit healthy heart. So basically, I'll suggest everyone after 35 years of age to undergo a routine full body health checkup every year. And if you have a strong positive history or if you have a deranged previous health checkup reports, please undergo every 6 months. And please do some physical activity daily. At least 35 to 40 minutes of brisk walking at a speed of around 6 kilometers per hour is necessary for keeping yourself and your heart healthy. Also, in this today's world, after COVID, many IT and other departments have started working from home, which is not a good thing. We keep getting patients regularly who do work from home especially, and then they end up having obesity, which is worst, which we call is that syndrome X, where it is a combination of diabetes, hypertension, central obesity, and this leads to other end organ diseases also. So I'll just suggest, please keep your heart healthy, walk, and keep yourself checked health. Keep checking your health at least every yearly. That's all, and thank you. If any requirements, you can please come to Narayana Health. We have other packages also. We have around 22 hospitals all over the country. In Gujarat, we have it in Ahmedabad. Thank you.